Hey guys, gals, doing a first aid kit vid. I've had it for a couple years. This first aid kit, I bought it at Big 5. Pretty much depleted most of it through daily wear and tear. This is basically all my stuff that I keep at home. I got a pretty good idea from the Patriot Nurse, 3 levels, and basically that's what I do anyways. But all this stuff stays at home. It's in my cabinet in my bathroom. I did go out and buy a large number of replacement items, because as you can see, they're kind of starting to get depleted. But I do carry my 72-hour one. This one's packed full, and I think I've already done a review on that one. My EDC, what I keep in my backpack. But without further ado, I do have one of these little first aid cheat sheets. I know a little bit about first aid. I've been trained, first aid certified, CPR certified, all that. But it's always good in case something happens. Somebody needs to know. I don't know. I've got some 2x4s, or 2x2x4s, 4x4s dressings, major wound dressings. I've got a bunch of little band-aids, knuckle bandages, blah 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 blah. Small bandages. I replace those. I've got a bag of gauze, either a tooth dispenser or a splint. I've got an ace bandage. I've got a bag full of latex gloves. My job, I have boxes of these. So in the event that something happened, I still have them. I've got a cold compress, and I got that idea from Patriot Nurse, and it came with that, of course. I've got a sewing kit in case I need to sew something up, a couple little more bandages, a hand sanitizer. I've got alcohol pads, prep pads, and I also got Quick and Cleans, a lot of those, some Providone, and some electrolytes, insect sting relief, burn aloe, antibiotic cream. I got some non-aspirin and some antacids. Even though I have boxes of those. Over here I have a little mini tourniquet. Over here I have some foot stuff. It's Ketoconazole. I had it when I had some jungle rot in my feet. I've had it over the years, probably a year and a half. Got it, doing whatever. Got some of that sulfonate. I've got some nasal spray because I got a big nose, and it seems to get clogged. Plus, it's good for colds. Got cotton swabs, cotton balls, some cotton swabs that actually go in the kit itself. Over here I got some VapoRub. I don't have arthritis, but it's always good to have that stuff. Daily multiple vitamins inside the bag. In the event that I have to bug out and I just grab the whole bag, I've got some daily vitamins. Some lubricating jelly, petroleum jelly, of course. That mixed with cotton balls will be able to make fire, so that goes into the bag also. Over here I do have some first aid A&D ointment to go along with this stuff. But in all reality, this stuff's what I'd use. Over here I have some Muprosin, which is a bacterial skin stuff. It helps for bacterial skins. It's basically an antibiotic. Helps with impetigo, open wounds, and MRSA. I didn't get MRSA, but I did get impetigo, and they gave me a couple of these. And also, this was a couple years ago. This stuff is called, if I remember, if it's right, Triamcinolone, whatever, eczema, psoriasis. So these items are actually just. I've used so much of this stuff. I've damaged myself a few times since 2 years ago when I bought this kit. Oh yeah, and I also have tweezers. It comes with this little, scissors. I have my own tweezers, and plus the tweezers that came with it. So I can do a little bit more, invasive surgery if I need it. Now this is just your basic This is basically a car kit. I don't keep it as a car kit. I keep that on me for my car kit, but this goes in my house, and I'm about to restock it. I'm going to show you guys what I bought. It's going to be, I was pretty impressed. Now, I have bought stuff that from Dollar Tree. Not the best quality, but, you know, in this time of economic insanity, you got to do what you got to do. So I'll get right back to you. Hey guys, so all this stuff came from the Dollar Tree, $1 each. Now, it's not exactly, some of it is not the best stuff, but on the flip side, better than nothing. First off, I got a little flashlight. I'm going to put this in the, in my first aid kit for a number of reasons. It's kind of a little chintzy one, but it works. I put batteries in it. It's not LED, but it's $1. So far, so good. Next is wet wipes. I'm going to put one in each of my backpack, my first aid kit, and also my EDC. In my 72-hour kit. Over here, elastic bandage, self-explanatory, rolled gauze, paper tape, adhesive bandages, 100 of them, gauze pads sterile, antibiotic ointment, and this is from Sheffield's. So, and I know that that's not the best brand, but it is a name brand. E&D cream, in case I have to hump a mountain and basically getting chapped legs or whatnot. I thought about that. Pain relief PM. Now, and I also have ibuprofen. The pain relief PM. Hopefully, now this says it's nighttime sleep aid, and if we look at it, it says let's see, and of course, okay, so whatever. The point is that if I've had to bug out and I've been on the run for 3 days or whatever it is, up and drinking coffee or whatever, the event that I need to go to sleep, I'm going to pop a couple of these, maybe 2. Ibuprofen, I don't know if that's a good idea or not. You know, if you think so or not, you can tell me about it. I went and checked out Mucinex, and unfortunately, Mucinex is $25 a bottle. So, I don't have that kind of money because I'm poor and broke, and, you know, I'm an American. And the thing is that, so I went and bought these mucus reliefs. They're $1 each. You know, I doubt they're going to be anywhere as good as mucus, as the, Mucinex. I bought this little dollar pencil. A little dollar pencil holder. For a number of reasons. I saw a guy a couple of weeks ago on YouTube. He bought one. I went and looked for the same one he had. They didn't have them. Their zipper's nicer. So, there we go. We've got, time to count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, $17. Plus tax, $18.50 or whatever. $18.50 for that much, and that's not a bad deal. That's what I would encourage people to go do, is to shop around. Don't buy a bunch of name brand stuff if you can buy cheap, offhand, off-brand stuff. It's better. For your pocketbook, now might not get the same results. I know that usually with these Sherwood bandages, but then again, I was using the waterproof kind, and they sucked. They kept ripping, kept falling apart. The plastic never held. Let's see how these go. Alright guys, appreciate your views, appreciate your support. I love all my subscribers. You guys are the best. Rob.